In this video, I would like to share to all of you how to make a modern rustic pivot door. Okay, and then you have to make a rectangle with a rotated rectangle, and you can set any size and any height of this rectangle to be a box object. Then you have to make it group. Then you can use tape measure tool, and then you can set to any position of the horizontal position, and then you can set the value of the distance between the edge to edge. Maybe you can set around 2000 millimeter, and then you can set the door height around 2400 millimeter. And if you feel it too narrow, you can add more guideline here, so it would be more large than before. And after that, you have to make on the center frame. You can set around 1000 millimeter and 1200 millimeter. Okay, and then you can set the door thickness. Anyway, you can set it door frame thickness around 40 millimeter of each frame. You can follow this step to make a frame. So you can make a frame with a rectangle anyway. And then you have to offset it inside by following the guideline. So you can follow the guideline to make a frame anyway. You can erase some unnecessary plane anyway. And you can erase some unnecessary plane anyway. Then you can also erase this. You can also erase this small line anyway. Then you have to you can push it to the front around 120 millimeter, and then you can make it group, and then you can use a rectangle to make a door leaf anyway. You can position on the corner to the corner of the top, and then you have to push it to the front around 40 millimeter, right? And then you can make it group, and after that you can make a frame of the door leaf with the offset. You can offset it around 10 millimeter, and then you can push you can divide the part of this vertical door leaf, and you can move and press enter. You can move and press control to duplicate it, and you can set to this position and just type maybe / and just press enter, so it would be automatically arranged. And then you can select this 3 line and just select move, and press Ctrl to duplicate it and type 10 and just enter so you can get it. And after that you can push it to the front around 20 millimeter. Just press enter, and then you can make a wood material. You can use this. You can use this to make a rustic look. Anyway, then you can select all. Then you can select iron. You can select the metal, and you can shift select of this plane, and you can select a metal, so you will get it. And you can set the value of the dark or brightness of the material. So, and you can assign for another material, and then you can make a glass with a rectangle. You can make a glass, and then you can make it group to make a solid object of the glass, and then you can set the glass material, and then you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it on the right side. Anyway, so it will be a perfect component, perfect element of the door in 3D modeling. Then you can make a rectangle to make a door handle, something like this. You can push it to the front and just offset it. Just make it group, and then you can assign a material with the same material. You can move it to the front for the temporary, then you can make it group and just make it component. Just create it, and you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it on a right axis and just flip it along on a right axis. Then you can make it group to be a single component. Then you can position it to the appropriate position, and then you can set the pivot height. So because this is a pivot door anyway, so you can set it, and then you can erase some unnecessary object like this. So this is a pivot door on SketchUp, modern rustic pivot door on SketchUp. Okay, thanks for watching. Wait for my next video. Thank you.